Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about if statement in Oracle. So how actually if statement work and how it helps us to control our statement. We will learn today. Okay. So this is a basic syntax I have written here, where it is like showing that if the statement we will write, if this statement will be true, then we will get our result. If the statement will not be true, we will not get our result. Okay, so this is how we write our if statement. Okay, we have to write the keyword if, then the statement, whatever the statement is, and then the keyword then. After this, then we will we will take our output, will give a result here, and then we will just close the if block by terminating this with semicolon, and we will write this end and terminate this thing. Okay, so hope this syntax is clear to you. I'll show you the example, then you will get to know the things in better way. Okay, so let's jump to SQL Workshop and see the example here. So suppose what I'm gonna do here, I'm just going to declare a variable first, v_var, which is of number type. I'm going to assign any value into it, like 10 or 10 or something you can write, no problem. And then I'm going to write begin. Under this begin section, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to say if here I'll write v_var is equal to 2, then we'll get the output from here, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and then we'll write something here like the result itself, vvar. Okay, just take a string as well, no problem. So we'll write our result is, or we'll write statement is true, statement is true, so getting the result, okay, and we'll just terminate it here, and we'll write end, and then end if. We'll write end if, actually not end, and then we'll end. Okay, now run this query. So we got the output as statement is true, so we are getting the result as 2. Okay, so if we will what is happening here we have given a value 2 to the variable, and we are saying that if variable is equal to 2, or this variable v_var is equal to 2, then we'll get this output. If suppose write something else, write 3, okay, then see what happens. Just run it, statement process, but we didn't get any value because the here var is equal to 3, and somehow this var is not equal to this thing. Okay, so this is not getting into the if statement. Okay, this is our compiler is not even getting into this if statement. It just get validated the condition from here, and it found that this is not matching, just get out of this if block. Okay, so this is how if condition work. Okay, so you can write something like this as well, is less than, if v_var is less than 3, then run this query. So let's run this. We got the output because 2 is actually less than 3, so we got the output. If we will write here something called something like 4, so then see what happened. We didn't get the output because 4 is not actually less than 3, so we didn't get the output. If we will write 1, then again we could get the answer. As you can see, statement is true, so getting the result as 1. So hope this tutorial is, this example is clear to you. Let's take one more example. I'll do some changes here. v_var2, I'll take var2, which is also of number data type, is equal to 5, we'll say, and terminate it. Now in our if condition, what we are writing, v_var is less than 3, and this is our logical operator, and or these all are logical operator. So I'm writing here and then and v_var2 is less than, we will say 6. So here again statement is gonna be true because we have written v_var is less than 3, so actually 1 is less than 3, yeah, true. and v underscore var 2 is less than 6. So yeah, 6 is less than 5, sorry, 5 is less than 6. So this is also true. So both true statements will give us the true result, and because the result is true, so we will be getting our output as true, and we'll be getting actually the output. Let's run this query. So we got the output. Okay, suppose I'll say like here I'll write 4. So in this condition this is true, but this is not true. So in this condition we will not get the output. I will run this query, so we didn't get the output. Okay, so hope the this example and tutorial is understandable to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box. Let's meet again in our next tutorial. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.